Good morning, folks. It's Ed from Mr. C's Automart with a new arrival, a really beautiful 2017 Infiniti QX70 all-wheel drive. I had to get a cheat sheet to help me with this one because it has so much equipment. So this has the 3 option packages, basically everything the car can have. It has the technology package, the limited package, and the premium package. It's got the 3.7 liter V6 engine, all-wheel drive. You see all the chrome accents. The technology package gives you intelligent cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, adaptive front lighting. The limited package gives you these 21-inch premium paint gray casted multi-spoke wheels. It's got dark finish, as you can see, exterior mirror housings, stainless steel front and rear bumper protectors. The leather is, it's got front and rear tinted glass. The leather is this beautiful graphite and stone two-tone leather that's quilted. So it's quilted, and it has deep pillow quilting, and the interior trim is two-tone with aluminum flake accents. And the premium package gives you NAV, 8-inch VGA Color Display, Bluetooth, entry-exit seats for the driver and passenger, reverse tilt mirrors, power tilt and telescoping steering column. It does have the power sunroof and the power liftgate. Now let's get cooking here as we come back. There's our power liftgate, hold down seats, nice rubber mats, full flat seats, so you can configure them in a variety of fashions. Front rear parking sensors, as we already went through. You can see that we have just a great car here with 144,000 miles. It's got a certified Carfax history, no accidents. There's our easy access seat. And we're going to have this for $13,998. You can visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me directly, 708-473-2014. There's your nav. There's your rear backup camera with the surround view. There's that aluminum flake interior trim, heated and cooled seats, steering wheel mounted controls for Bluetooth cruise. Just call me, guys. Let me know if you have questions. Again, my number is 708-473-2014. Thanks.